Lincoln?
We're at the height.
These lights would be pretty if it was nighttime.
Yeah.
What park is this?
I don't know.
I don't know.
What is it?
I think it's called Strickfaden Park. We've been here before.
There, the sign.
That's what it said. We'll have to get a shot out before we leave.
Okay. Before I go to the break, well, we're to that height. So let's go this way.
Now that's somebody's house.
No, see that trail?
Come on, Link.
Let's go this way or that way.
This way.
God.
It's okay.
What is this?
Giant beans.
Huh?
That's what it looks like. Lincoln, that's somebody's yard. Maybe. Yeah, stay on the path. Come on, Link. Would you like to get a dog?
No.
Because this is what you have to do if you have a dog.
What?
Look here. If your dog poops on the ground, you got to pick it up. See? You take one of these bags and put it in your hand, and you reach down and you pick up a big old pile of poop.
Huh.
Put it in your pocket, I guess. I hate dogs.
I hate to do that.
Yeah, there's a woodpecker somewhere. We heard it.
I don't see it.
I don't see it either.
Why?
Pick you up.
Do it again.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Do it again.
Told you it was a ship.
It's a ship, Dad.
I know.
They didn't change it.
You gotta turn around backwards because it's
Huh?
a ladder. So you gotta turn around.
No, get me higher.
I haven't even started.
Really, you higher.
Hold on. No, let go.
Hey, Dad, see Hey, Dad, keep going closer. Hey, I want to touch you. Dad, keep going closer.
Oh.
You're going crooked. You're trying to straighten me out. Go crooked.
No. This is like the church at the playground. The race one. I don't know. What is this? That's Barbara.
Where you at?
Huh?
Give me 5 and you go by. That's a fun slide.
I go on the swing.
Oh, you don't go higher. That's the highest one.
There's no more steps.
Go.
Well, here's what I'm wondering, guys. For old, guys, I just want to ask something. Maybe if Dad would turn off the camera, I could tell you.
No, watch. Just watch. Let's see if you win. Let's see if you win. Just wait.
Me. Yeah, shuffle them. You're gonna win.
You want to put mine?
Spooky.
Bugs? Yeah, maybe. Jack Sparrow, graveyards, and a cave boy. Wow, if I saw that thing, it looks like Lincoln there. No, I'm joking.
No.
I'm joking.
Look at my card.
I gotta say graveyards.
That was yours.
I wasn't. I'm not being biased. That would.